Viral is when a piece of content spreads quickly across social media platforms, being shared by thousands or even millions of users in a very short time span. So in essence, a viral effect describes the ability of a product or a business to acquire new customers. It goes viral. What is the meaning of viral effect? The term viral pertains to a video, image, or written content spreading to numerous online users within a short time period. If something goes viral, many people discuss it. This concept has become a common way to describe how thoughts, information, and trends move into and through a human population. How do you make a viral effect? Identify your target audience. Define clear goals. Identify the viral element. Create a compelling value proposition. Make sharing easy and rewarding. Choose the right channels and platform. Track, measure performance. Onpassive has the most sophisticated analytics tool called O-Tracker. What determines if something goes viral? A video typically goes viral when it receives many views quickly. A video receiving hundreds of thousands to millions of views in a brief time usually indicates virality, but its view count is relative to the platform. Onpassive has its own social media platform and doesn't sell anyone's data. OConnect is Onpassive's video conferencing platform. What makes a reel viral? Going viral means creating content that is so shareable and engaging that it spreads like wildfire across different social media platforms. What content is most likely to go viral? Videos. Videos are highly engaging and shareable, making them an ideal format for viral content. They can be used to present a wide range of topics, from tutorials to entertainment. How many views is considered viral? There's no strict definition for how many views you need to go viral. However, most people and social media platforms would define going viral as achieving more than 5 million views on one video within a week. Other interpretations are less frightening. Why do some things go viral and others don't? What makes something go viral? An expert writes that easily understandable visual elements are often a factor, and narratives that incorporate them tend to gain traction more rapidly. This is because visuals have the power to simplify complex concepts and make them more accessible to a wider audience. How many followers do you need to go viral? The key to virality is shareability, and the measure of going viral is different from brand to brand. 1 million views on a video that results in 0 new followers can be considered viral. 5,000 views on multiple videos that attract 100,000 new followers. What happens if your video goes viral? Promotion and brand opportunities. If a video goes viral, the creator may gain attention and recognition. This can lead to opportunities for brand partnerships, sponsorships, or collaborations, which can be lucrative. Why do companies want to go viral? Once something goes viral, it is an easy and cheap way for a message to gain popularity. Viral marketing can increase a company's reach and, ultimately, its customer base. What happens when your business goes viral? A viral social media post can take on many formats, such as video, meme, image, or post. On some social media platforms, going viral can significantly impact the growth of your brand or business, leading to increased visibility, engagement, and sometimes even customers. How can my business go viral? Find the right target audience. In order to make your brand go viral, you first need to determine your target audience. Pick the right social media platforms. Capture attention fast. Post at the right times. Appeal to emotions. Right time, right audience. OConnect is moments away from going viral. OConnect meets all of the things to go viral. OConnect will absolutely explode on the internet and will take Onpassive and all its affiliates with it. Affiliates are in for the financial time of our lives. Are you ready? If you are, hold on tight.